They took your kindness for weakness. They thought you'd always stay, waiting, forgiving, breaking yourself just to keep them whole. But one day, you stopped answering. You stopped showing up. And that silence, that was their karma. You didn't change overnight. You evolved quietly. You once gave love to people who only wanted your energy. You gave loyalty, they gave excuses. You stayed, hoping they'd see your worth, but they never did. Because when people get too used to your presence, they start believing your light will never fade, until the day you stopped bleeding for them. That's when karma began working, not with revenge, but with absence. Karma doesn't always roar. Sometimes it whispers, through your silence, your distance, your peace. While they wonder why life feels empty, why no one understands them like you did. That's karma reminding them what they lost. You didn't lose them. They lost access to you. Access to your calm when they were breaking, your patience when they were careless, your energy when they were ungrateful. Now, every time your name echoes in their memory, they'll feel that quiet sting. I should have treated them better. You see, when a good soul walks away, the entire rhythm of their world changes. Your presence wasn't attention, it was healing. You were the light in their darkness, the peace they took for granted. But not everyone wants healing, some prefer chaos. So the universe stepped in, like it always does, and removed you from their storm. Not rejection, protection. Now your absence teaches what your presence couldn't. Every sleepless night, every hollow laugh, every empty conversation reminds them that peace once had your name. And you learned your greatest truth, that peace is worth more than connection. Silence louder than arguments. And letting go isn't weakness, it's evolution. So let them feel your absence. Don't go back to prove your value. Your silence already speaks louder. Because when a pure soul walks away, it never returns the same. They lost access to you. And that, my friend, is their karma. If this speech hit your soul, subscribe for more dark motivation. This is Dark Energy.